It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Cynosure Hair once more. So it's the same packaging as usual. Let's get into what I got. I got a few goodies as usual. So before we get into the wig, we'll go through that. I got this little goodie bag here, branded elastic band, edge brush and comb. I even got some lashes, super nice. And then I got a pair of HD wig caps. All right, so for today's wig, we're working with their Pull and Go Glueless wig. It's a Yaki pre-cut HD lace closure human hair wig. All right, and I believe this is actually the... I'm gonna put the specific length in the description box so you guys can see, but this hair comes perfectly pre-customized, perfect for my beginners and everybody that just don't have all the time in the world to be, you know, installing a wig, or you probably just don't have the knowledge. This, they did the work for you already. And I also love the yaki texture. It gives more of a very realistic vibe. I love the fact that there's a drawstring in the cap as well. So you know how I feel about that. Like, drawstrings make glueless wigs so much easier to wear, and they don't slip at all when they have a drawstring inside. The security is top tier. So you guys know to adjust that, you literally just pull it to how tight you want it to be. You adjust the knob, and that's what will allow it to stay in place to wherever you adjust it. You tuck away the excess string beneath the cap, and you go about your day. Super secure. Literally no adhesive needed. If this isn't like the best addition to a glueless wig, I don't know what is. Like, you know, I have to give you the shake test. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. So pretty much I just went ahead and further like style the wig, showing you all the parting space that there is to work with. The lace is already pre-bleached. I don't know if I mentioned that, but as I said, fully pre-customized, so you don't have to worry about, you know, bringing this to the salon whatsoever. Okay, the only thing is that I kind of elongated the parting and applied a little concealer to it so it would look a little bit more natural. Before I did that, I took my wax stick and I kind of just applied a bit there to get the top of the wig flatter. Yeah.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else be.
Once I was done with that, I went in with my flat iron and I just took my time to go through the entire wig to get it super bone straight. I mean, if you want, you could leave it as is without having to take this step, but I'm a perfectionist, so I went in with my flat iron and just got it super bone straight.
Hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher. stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig look today. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. It's super easy and convenient. I made sure to drop the link down below in the description box, so if you are interested in getting this wig, that's where you can find it. All the specifications are listed there and the direct link. But yeah, that's it for the look today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this look, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.